Hey everybody, it's Taylor with Boydston Grove, and today I'm going to show you how to make a wooden toy jet.
Is it a fighter jet?
Let's get into it.
This is gonna be awesome.
Alright, before we get too far into this project, I want to state that this is no particular model of jet. It's just something that I sketched up until I felt like I got the proportions right, so it can pretty much be whatever you want it to be. I started with the body of the jet using a piece of 2x4 that I pulled out of the scrap bin. After cutting it to size, I attached a template using spray adhesive, and since my bandsaw is still out of commission, I cut it out on the scroll saw, which worked out just fine. I just had to go extra slow because the wood was so thick. If you want to make this toy jet for yourself, I have the template available on our website. Make sure to hit the link below. Next, I moved on to the wings using a piece of 1/4-inch plywood. Once the wings were cut out, I could use them to mark the body where I needed to cut out a slot for the wings to set into. Again, cutting this slot would be easiest on the bandsaw, but I used my crosscut sled and it worked out just fine. Moving on to the cockpit and tail pieces, I cut down some more scraps of pine. I put a piece of 80 grit sandpaper on the wheel of my bench sander, and it made forming the cockpit, the tail pieces, and the body of the jet really easy. Last but not least, I used another piece of 1/4-inch plywood to make the top section of the jet. To remove the template from your wood, you can use a heat gun like I did, a hair dryer, or just sand them off. After sanding the pieces, I use Titebond's Quick and Thick for the assembly because it is really tacky and helps hold the small pieces in place during glue up. To move the process on a little quicker, I use my 23 gauge pin nailer to tack the pieces in place. As an afterthought, I grabbed some 3/8 inch dowel and made some little missiles to add to the jet. Since I chose to use plywood and scraps for the jet, I decided paint would be the best finish. Alright, our wooden toy jet is finished. As you can see, I made a second one and I decided to paint them different colors. I really like the paint on these. Originally, I wanted to leave them wood, but because I used plywood for the wings, I just didn't think it would really look good. But the paint definitely just looks like a lot of fun. As you probably noticed, I didn't put any landing gear or anything for these to stand on. There were a couple different options that I found online. You can either put little triangles of wood on the wings to kind of let it sit up just a little bit off the ground, or you can put little pieces with some teeny wheels on it. I really didn't like the idea of having landing gear on them at all times because, I mean, like, if you're playing with a jet, it's not going to be landing, right? The other idea I was thinking of is maybe one of those stands that holds it, but you know, after all, it is a toy, not a model or something that I'm going to keep on my shelf, so I figured, it's pretty good just the way it is. If you have any ideas for a cool stand or something, let me know in the comments below. This is a super quick and easy project, and like I said before, we have the template available on our website, so make sure to hit the link below. We work on a new project every week, so make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you very much for watching, be safe, and have a great day.
Mustang, this is Maverick requesting flyby.
Negative, Ghost Rider. The pattern is 12.